A waitlist is a tool that can be used in order to manage an event capacity. Normally, guests will not be able to register when an event has reached its maximum capacity. Notice here that there are 6 people enrolled out of 4, which is the maximum limit. Normally, when that happens, you will reach an error message like this on the registration form. To enable a waitlist, you would go to Event Configuration and Define Tools. Next, you will scroll down to Waitlist or search for it, and go into Edit Mode and enable it, and click on End. Afterwards, in the registration form, people will now be able to register here. And using an email, they may now fill it out. When guests have filled out the registration form, they will be placed on the admissions list. Here, you may approve their entrance into the event manually. Once done, they will appear on the View Attendees list.